Alright, yo, Carlos, go.
Ready to go, buddy?
Yep.
Yeah, still on the road. What's that? Hey! It's fine. A little bit. A little bit. You got it broken down here. No. You can see cars clear.
Been drinking.
What do you mean there ain't? Yeah, there ain't nothing in there. There ain't nothing. Where'd my engine go?
Oh
I
my.
know that, buddy.
Oh
took my
my
engine.
gosh.
You took my engine. You're making
What
it
is
rust out
he
here and
doing?
everything. Yeah. You're making them.
There ain't no slow moving vehicle sign on here.
I had my hazard on.
Oh my
What you did?
goodness. No
I do
slow
nothing, buddy.
moving
You got
vehicle
all
sign.
overgrown brush here.
I did not do that.
Overgrown
What you mean you
brush
didn't do that?
inside the carburetor.
God darn the look, I got. Oh, Bucko here, you need to not be doing this. Bro, what's this guy doing? He's doing donuts in our.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
What's this guy doing?
Bro, we gotta. Let's get out of here. We need to get out. We need. This is our field! This is our field!
This is literally our field.
You can't be doing this! This is our field!
I'm just trying to have fun. Get off my truck, buddy! What is he doing?
Bro, what are you doing? You're tearing up
What
a
are you
field!
doing?
Where
There
you
ain't no crops in this field.
Yeah, well, there ain't, but there is!
Yeah. Bro, they're dead, bro.
Bro, look, you killed them!
I didn't do that.
Oh, yeah, you
You
did?
ain't got no evidence of me doing that.
I do, I have a video in right here.
I've had enough of this, mister. I've had enough of this. I'm getting out of here.
Hey, no, you can't drive away.
Oh,
Oh, he gonna hit us! Bro!
yo!
Bro!
What's this guy doing?
I don't know what's he doing. He go swerving all over the road.
What's he doing?
I don't know. Follow him. Oh, what's he doing?
What's he doing?
I don't know. No, keep going. We don't need to stop for him. What's this guy doing?
That guy, bro. Oh, he's drinking.
He's drinking. What? Did you see that?
Oh, no, we're gonna hit a U-turn on that.
We gotta get that.
Let's go confront this guy.
Yeah,
man.
put it
He
in
should
park
not
real
be
quick.
drinking.
Let's get out real quick.
He should be not.
You can't be doing that. Man, you can't be drinking out here.
What
You were swerving all over the road.
What are you doing?
You were swerving all over the road. Hey, he's drinking.
Yo, my combo. What are you doing?
This guy's been,
Do something about it?
What is he talking about, bro?
what?
Huh?
Bro, what you do? Oh,
Yeah. Doing that. Yo, dude,
You-
come on, buddy. I ain't like that. Come on.
We're talking about drunk driving. About every day, about 37 people in the United States die in drunk driving crashes.
that's pretty much one person every 39 minutes. In 2021, 13,384 people died in alcohol-impaired driving traffic deaths.
A 14% increase from 2020. These deaths were all preventable.
Around 30% of crash deaths involve drinking above the legal limit for drivers. Alright.
cannabis use is also a risk factor for alcohol and co-involvement, even at levels within the legal limit.
Currently, estimates show nearly 40% of all crash deaths in America involve alcohol.
My goodness. You need to unlock the door.
Okay. You want me to do that?
All right. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, that's a distraction messing with your radio.
I'll mess with the radio for you.
Alright.
Clear both ways.
Clear both ways. Pulling
Yep.
out. Following the speed limit.
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna check our rear view mirrors. Check our speed.
Speed's doing good. Speed's doing good.
Gauges.
Review's good.
Our front zones, we're good, we're good. Oh, see a deer.
There's a deer over there.
Slow down. You gotta watch your distractions. Always want to make sure there's no deer down here.
Always slow down for the hills,
Always
remember?
slow down for the hills. You want to speed up whenever you...
Make sure no one's coming over the hill.
Yeah, make sure no one comes over there. Signal down.
Yeah, slow down. Don't get in the ditch. Dude, that'd be bad.
This person behind us is driving like an idiot.
Bro, what's this guy doing behind us?
What's this guy? Wow, this is a very dead end back here.
Might need to turn around. We always have to find a safe spot to pull over.
Safe spot to pull over.
Or if you have to, back up.
We probably should have looked if there was a way to turn around.
There is.
There is. Always have a passenger that knows what they're doing.
Always keep a map with the passenger.
Always keep them out with
Because watch out, down here's the river, down so far.
river. It is.
Always
not,
go slow on curves, and do not trespass. Pay on no trespassing. All right, since this is our property, we'll be going down it.
Yeah, this is our property. Do not drive on illegal property.
Because that is illegal.
Very illegal.
You could get fined with at least 30 days in jail, or you could have a fine of $1,500 in Illinois.
Wow, wow, this is a very, very illegal road that you should not be driving on.
Yeah.
So currently we are going to turn around because this is illegal property.
All right.
One, drive on illegal property, and we are going to do a donut in...
No, we cannot say that.
We cannot say that.
All right. Pull off right here.
We're going to do a quick U-E.
No, don't do a U-E because that's part grass. We just have to back up here. Back straight back. No, Griff, this is not our land.